Well folks, hello and welcome back to the Relaxing Woodshop. Of course, my name is David. Can you believe that it is about 1 o'clock on a Saturday morning, still in August, in Northern Ireland, and it is about 11 or 12 degrees, and it is so noisy from the rain outside that I'm having to speak up a wee bit. I'm about the fire lit and everything's cozy, but still summer. But anyway, so I know we're going to get stuck into a beautiful whiskey cabinet, but I've been asked to put together like a wee wood, not a chopping board, but like a wee wooden stand to set a few nice cupcakes on for display from a company that sells cupcakes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the name of the company a secret to the end, and then we'll engrave the wee holder with the name of the company so you can look it up, and we'll have a description along the bottom as well. So yeah, let's just go. Okay folks, so I have some of these lovely big slabs of oak. So I have sliced a section of it off down to this size because I had to do that outside. So what we now need to do is cut it in half on the bandsaw. But before I do that, I've just noticed there's a tiny bit of a warp here. So what we're going to have to do with that is get that through the planer first to get that wee warp off, cut then through the bandsaw, and then we'll square it off nice and even, and then work at it until we get the shape that we're really after. Okay folks, so we are perfectly flush, we are perfectly flush, we are perfectly flush, we're perfectly flush, and we're perfectly flush. Now we're going to destroy all of that. Not entirely, but close. So what we're going to do now is we're going to slice right across this. And what I'm going to focus on in this area here, because I think that's where we're going to be able to best discern what the inlays. So we're going to do a wee like zigzag shake here. And one of the ones I tried a wee while back there, I overdid the zig or the zag, depends which one you want to look at. And it was hard for the glue to settle in, so we'll not make them over aggressive. We'll kind of just do a nice wee wave low design there, and then we'll put the inlay in, and then we'll do another one going the other way, is the plan. Okay folks, so day 2, different clothes in case you're wondering why. So it's a lot warmer today than it was yesterday. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hook this, and I'm going to decide whether I'm going to put a second bow or leave a single on it. Reason being is time key, and also when I sand this down, remember this has got a slight live edge to it, so it might be a bit harder to put a second line into it. So we'll unhook it and see what it looks like. folks, so there we have it. Well, folks, there we have it for another week at the Relaxing Wood Shop. As you can see, it's turned out beautiful. Looking really, really good. So yes, so Goldie's Goods is the name of the shop on Facebook, I believe. Link will be in the description at the bottom, and they really are good. I've had them at work and they're fantastic. So yeah, that's fantastic. So we'll be able to set down, put all the wee cakes here, and have the company logo in the corner there. And with the live edge, I was scared that it wasn't going to match that up, but it is actually, it's just perfect. It really, really is. And I'm not just saying that for myself, and as you can see at the back, it's perfect as well. So I might actually do a couple of them over the next coming weeks in my own spare time, because I'm really enjoying doing them, because it's not often I get to plane down the wood from its natural lumber. So yeah, so there we go. So yes, 100% guaranteed, our next video in the next few weeks will start our whiskey cabinet. So look forward to seeing and doing that. So until then, we look forward to seeing you next time on the Relaxing Wood Shop. Oh, we're almost at 1,000, 998. So come on, get your granny to subscribe.